The flag for march is, or the side lever, is going to be the handstand against the wall with the straddle. So what you're doing is slowly trying to exit each side and come down and lower yourself down and come back up. The easy version is a great exit for the handstand facing the wall, so that way you can just cartwheel to either side. Now when I do the exit, usually they'll lean, fall a little bit and step the hand. So what you're trying to do with this is straddle and just lower yourself down, pull yourself back up if you can. But remember, you're always stronger lowering than you are lifting, so you might not be able to get back up if you go too far. So you don't need to go too far, you're just working on little side flexes, but it's also good to side flex a little bit further and be able to exit each way. So I teach this at the beginning because most people are just prepping that. If they've got their L handstand down, they're really comfortable with that. They've got their kick-ups to the wall down, facing away from the wall, and they're just beginning this journey for getting the face to the wall. This is a good time for them to practice the left and right exit. So if they've got that down, then they feel a lot safer attempting the flag. So you come up, you want to have a nice line, nice stack, get that foot as high as you can to start with, so it's less walking. Step the other one up, walk it in, really try to open those shoulders, and then if you want to give yourself a little bit of room to straddle, because as you straddle the toes will come forward and the butt will come back, so you point the toes, lock the elbows, and then coming down, trying to really open up the shoulders, and then you're just gently coming from one side and then to the other side. Locking those elbows, coming back up. If you're still working on just getting the straddle, you might just do that, come down, opening up there, trying to get the ribs in, and then just that exit there. A little bit harder without the extra step, and then you might climb back up and do the exit the other side just to balance that. Quite tough, just working that by itself. Because it's such a high skill movement, it's and a lot required. If you're jumping into another exercise straight away, I find it's quite difficult to focus. So I just like people to take that one at a time, especially if they're just new to getting up that way. It's a little bit scary for some people and they really want to feel that confidence coming off the wall. So you might not go up as high, just come back down the same way you get up to start with. Really build that base and get comfortable with it. Trying to really get that nice open shoulder. That's the hard part to not do, is to really hold that in while you're doing it. So have a go, get some videos back to me and we can work on that together. See you soon.